All right, in this video, we're going to be talking about using the Illinois Statewide Forms to prepare a motion, also a notice of motion, so you can get whatever you're trying to get in front of the court done yourself. So when you're completing a motion, it's important that you understand what that is. If you're not familiar with that, I would suggest that you review some of our information on our blog and get yourself familiar with what this is before you try and tackle this project. But what you're looking at here is the Illinois Supreme Court forms, motions, and notices. Now, all this information is current as of this date. So when you're watching it, it may be slightly different. So it's important to try and use whatever the current documents are. But when you're completing a motion, you want to kind of break this down into steps so it doesn't become overwhelming. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill out your case caption. Then you're going to label the motion. You're going to put together your substance. You're going to kind of have a prayer for relief, or what is it specifically you want. Then you're going to verify that document saying that to the best of your knowledge, all of this stuff is true and that you're not committing any sort of perjury here. So your case caption, that's this information. You're going to pick the county of your case, whatever it may be, drop it down in there. This should be a copy and paste. So you should already have a case going. So whoever is the petitioner, you write their name there. Same thing with the respondent, case number. That's your case caption. Then your motion 2, this is where you're labeling the motion. What are you asking for? I'm asking for temporary child support. I'm asking for something else. Whatever you're asking for, that's what it should go in there. A good label should give everybody kind of some generalized knowledge as to what you're trying to ask for. Now, we're going to talk about the substance of your motion. Here, you're going to kind of want to break this down, and a good motion that's usually prepared by an attorney breaks things down into sub-paragraphs to try and really streamline the issues. If you're doing this as a DIY, you really need to give the judge, and most importantly, the other side and everybody else involved, give them a breakdown of what are you asking for, why are you asking for it, and we want to make sure that the court has the authority to grant whatever relief you're asking for. If you're struggling with this and you find it overwhelming, you may want to reach out to a law firm to kind of go over some of your options. Maybe they can even do limited scope services to help you specifically write the motion that you need help with. Once you've got your motion, now I'll back that up. One of the things you can do is sometimes if you run out of space, there's this additional motion form that was back on that first page. Just wanted to show you what that looks like. But once you're done, so if you need that, by the way, you collect this little box, then you can kind of combine the pages all together. Once you're done, what this basically says here is that to the best of your knowledge and belief, everything is true. You're signing this under oath, so take it seriously. If it turns out that you lied or you did it for harassment purposes, things like that, you can get yourself in some trouble, so take it seriously. Then down here at the bottom, you're going to sign it. You either e-sign it, fill out the rest of your information, and then you need to give everybody notice of this case to what's going on. So this is showing you proof that you sent it to everyone involved, and again, you're going to sign this certification of the same. So this is what you do when you're completing a motion, and in a second, I'm going to tell you about how to complete a notice of motion. Now, we just talked about a motion, and in this notice of motion, again, you're going to basically copy and paste everything over, fill out your case caption, your motion 2 is all this. Then depending upon what courthouse you're having, you may or may not be able to get this date right away, but you're going to fill out the rest of this stuff. If you know it's going to be Zoom or whatnot, this will all depend upon your county and the judge assigned. So it's really important that you read these notice of motions and you get yourself familiarized with the particular county that you're in. Again, if this is overwhelming or you have problems, you may want to reach out to a law firm. They can help you with that.